let's say your right foot stays down, the left leg comes up. Have the hands be behind the thigh if you like. And here we go. Writing the word love with your foot. I start with a capital L, L, O, V, and now a small e, lowercase e. Now I'm going to write it backwards. L, O, V, and a backwards small e. One more time, same side. L, O, V, E, and backwards. L, O, V, E. Perfect. Love your foot. Other side, pick the other knee up, interlace your hands behind your thigh. And here we go. L, O, V, E. And now backwards. L, O, V, E. One more time. L, O, V, E. Backwards. L, O, V, backwards, lowercase e. Yay! And now dying bug pose. Pick up your feet and shake it out. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, and that's almost it. We're going to do one bridge because I do a bridge a day. We'll walk the heels in, heels under knees today, arms beside you. Spread the fingers wide, root down in the arms, root down in the arms. Now bring awareness to the back of your head. Slowly roll your head side to side, back to center. And prepare for bridge. So root down to rise up, lifting your hips up off the floor. And when you get where you get to, you want to try to get to a place where your spine is in a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Then engage your inner thighs as if you were squeezing a beach ball. Engage your glutes ever so gently and breathe into your hips. So hip bones are pressing up. Now breathe into the muscles of your spine and think about how they are pressing up into your vertebra. But keep your chest relaxed. Do not need to push your chest up, just let it be. And press down on the arms. Optional to bring the arms underneath, interlaced fingers. This will give you a little bit more leverage. Root down to rise up. We'll do this as a hold today. Now, remember the isometric hold in the plank. Let's do it in the bridge today. So take the arms out, bring your heels, engage, pull your heels towards your head, and press down on the upper arms. So just feel a pull back. Notice when you do that how much engagement happens everywhere. Yeah? So isometrically pull your feet towards your head. Push your arm bones down into the mat. Find your breath. And you've really created an energetic, strong bridge today. Okay, let's let go. So release your arms first and then come down slowly in a straight line with your spine. Lower back touches down, pick your feet up off the floor and relax. Find counter poses that make sense for you right now. Perhaps you are a fan of the windshield wiper, side to side, or perhaps another knee down twist. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate your persistence, and I hope you'll go below this video and share your P word, your power word. What propelled you today to do this practice? I want to hear from you, so say hi in the comments, thumbs up if you like today's video, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so, and below here you will also find, I think, a link to my private Facebook group. If you're not already in it, you should be. It's called the Strong Bones Challenge, and there we motivate each other to do bone strengthening exercises every day. So I'd love to see you there. Also, I do private one-on-one coaching. If that's something that would interest you, you can send me an email. My email's below. So I'll talk to you soon and see you in the next video. Have an awesome day.